Santa Fe dehumidifiers are some of the best solutions for controlling unwanted humidity in basements, crawl spaces, or your entire home. With freestanding and whole house options, there's a Santa Fe dehumidifier for everyone. So, how do Santa Fe dehumidifiers work? First, place the freestanding dehumidifier in the room you want to dehumidify. Plug it in, and the unit will begin running. Set your desired humidity level using the knob on the control panel, and the dehumidifier will automatically maintain that humidity in your space. It does this by drawing air in through a high-efficiency filter and into the unit. It passes through an evaporator that cools the air and causes it to condense. The condensation drips into the tray and is carried away through the drain hose. The dehumidified air then passes back through the unit and is delivered back into your air through the supply outlets. If you have a whole house unit, install the dehumidifier and tie it to your HVAC system. We recommend hiring a professional to complete this step. During installation, set your desired humidity level on the electronic humidistat. As it runs, air is brought in from the lower openings on the front panel, and when your cooling and heating system turns on, dehumidified air is released from the openings on each side. To drain the collected moisture, attach a drain hose and route it at a downward angle to a drain or other location. You can also add an external condensate pump to drain upwards or across longer distances. For new construction or tightly sealed homes, Santa Fe dehumidifiers can be ducted to bring in outside air, which is filtered, dehumidified, and released into your home. This helps avoid stagnant air that can create conditions for moisture buildup. Still have questions? Call or email our friendly product experts, and we'll be happy to help you choose the right dehumidifier for your space.